Hey everyone, in this brief video I will show you how you can easily create the material with the color changing by the time and only inside material without any timelines, ticks and stuff like that, only in the material. Okay, let's start. Here is the default scene and I'm going to just drag and drop the cube here. So I have my custom material. Let's add it to this cube and let's open material. Here we have just base color inside. And first of all, I think you need to check the blend mode because it will change your pins of material. But default one opacity is, I think, fine. And let's add the time node. After that, let's add the sign. It has inside the parameter, so let's make it 5. So every 5 seconds we will have changes in our material. And let's add multiplier. Or just press M and left click also. It will work. And for 10 multiply. And also it's good to have I like clamp. To have min only 1 and maximum for example 10 because we have 10 here. And let's add this to the emissive color. And you can see we have a glowing effect every 5 seconds. We can change this in our variable to have like a more frequent lighting. And we can play with this. Also, we can add with the material of emissive, we can add, for example, the color to our emissive. It will be a little bit of this. But to make it better, you can also multiply per 10 because here we multiply by 10, but here is not. So this value is not so big. We can multiply this also by 10 and let's check. You can see we have much more color right now. And it's glowing between two colors. And I think it's nice and handy to know this feature. You can also, if you want more color, multiply more. And it depends of this parameter. So this, it will be time. It will be a multiplier, but it can be also one. But there is not a lot of effect right now because this has much bigger value, 20. So you need to play with both values. And you can ignore clamp if you are not using multiply. But you can see how it works. It's great to know and for an artist, I think. So you can play and add color changing of glowing by the time. And let's check in the scene how it works. Every 1 second we have a switch color. So I think this tutorial was helpful. If it is, please press like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create more content.